How to create group text on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Messages application on your phone. The Messages app also supports features like group messaging, voice messages, and the ability to schedule messages. You are now in the Messages page where you can view all your messages. On this page, go to the top right corner and tap on the new message icon. Here, you can search for or type in the name of the people who you want to send the message to. You can select more than one person if you want to send the message in a group. After selecting, type in a message in the text bar below to share it with them. As you can see, you have now created a text group. Following these steps, you can easily create group text on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.